The feedback is a very important pillar. We really don't know how well we are doing unless we get those metrics and feedback from who we are serving. So we focus a lot on real-time feedback, which means, the messages and tickets and other such communications that we get from our external customers.
Yeah.
Not just relying on, surveys which might have a low response rate. Of course, that is still important data that goes into it, but also in real time, with advances in AIs, we can do, sentiment analysis to know, which customers might be really unhappy with the service and the sentiment might be dropping. So I think that is a very important point. And the second is, there's a lot of valuable feedback in how customers are using your product.
Yeah.
So instead of having a very long roadmap with lots of features in it, maybe it's better to focus on those important features and make them really good. So looking at customer sentiment in their communications, looking at product analytics feedback, and looking at what issues are they actually bringing up. And I think feedback also ties into employee feedback, which you also brought up a little bit earlier, where employees also feel good when they notice improvement in those metrics with customers. They feel that they're part of a journey, they're having an impact, as opposed to working in the dark without having any sort of feedback or mechanism to know how their actions actually impacting customers.